In this video, I will show you how to create an account on Airbnb. So go to airbnb.com and then click on the login. And after that, you can select a couple of options in order to create an account. And you can either use your phone number or you can sign up with Google, Apple, email, or Facebook. And in this tutorial, I'm going with my email. So I'm going to click on this option in here. And right now I'm going to enter my email, and after I'm going to click on continue. So after you entered your email, you need to fill in your first name on your ID and your last name, your date of birth, and you need to select the password. And after you've filled everything in, go ahead and click on agree and continue. So after you have entered the code that has been sent to your email, go ahead and click on agree and continue in here. And after you've done that, you can see what the rates are near you. And right now, let's click on this logo here at the top left. And now we can search any destination, and then we can go ahead and use our account to make bookings. So that is how you do it. Thank you for watching and subscribe to my channel.